Your attention, please. This is the Alberta Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
An emergency has been declared for all of Calgary. Over the past 2 hours, heavy snowfall and ice have been causing roads to become either tougher to drive on or impassable. Localized power outages have also been reported. It is advised you remain at home at this time. If you become stranded in a vehicle outside, emergency personnel may be unable to reach you. For further updates, please stay tuned into local media.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Do not use your telephone for the duration of this emergency.